Well, the breakup is coming along pretty good. Just if it'll ever stop raining, which I'm not complaining because it's leaving moisture in here. It's been, in the last video, I think I said it was been like 25 years since there's been a garden here. So as you can see, there's still a whole lot of grass left in here. So I'm just having to beat it up, but every time it gets dry enough that I can get my tiller in, the rain comes along and just makes it a sloppy mess. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get those seeds in the planters today, and then we'll probably come out and till on this a little more. It hadn't rained in like 3 days, so get it broke up a little more, try to get some more of these clumps out, and we'll see what happens next. Just to show you my setup, what we're doing is I think we're going to do a couple of beefsteak tomatoes, some big boy hybrids, a couple of some bell peppers, squash, cantaloupe, and I have some okra seeds as well. We'll probably get started. Bought this little kit off of Amazon. There's 10 different trays, and basically that's the bottom. Then that sets in here, and then you have your top that goes over it with this little thing slides around, let more air in or out depending on the moisture. So what we're going to do is start with this little tub and put our potting soil in it so that it's not all over the table or all over the ground, and I can save it, what I don't use, and then we'll start getting the containers out. So let me get you set up over here and we will get started with this. So first off, we'll start with one of our small containers. Put a little bit in. There's a lot of, this soil has a lot of bark still in it, so hopefully that'll show what I'm doing on here. Just filling these up. So I think we'll start with some of our peppers. And I just bought these from Walmart. I don't know if you can see those little bitty seeds, but put one in each one. The soil has been sitting outside. And I've had it sitting in the sun the last 2 days, trying to get it to dry out a little bit. Still pretty moist though. It's okay. It'll get started. So I don't know if you can see the little seeds in each one. And then what we'll do is just take a handful, cover everything up. This little kit also comes with markers so that we can show what everything is and not get lost. And we'll just call her Pepper. Place it down here in the side. And put our, clean off the cover here so that we get a good seal. Put our lid on. I'm going to turn that where we just got a little bit of opening to get some air flowing through. And we have our pepper marker on the front. We'll set this over to the side. Okay, we got everything planted now. We have some cantaloupe, squash, beef, 2 beefsteak, 2 okra, 2 peppers, and 2 big boys. Now, one piece of advice I will give you with this little kit is that these lids do not snap on, and so whenever you grab them, be sure you got a good hold on them because they'll flip out. Don't ask me how I know, I just know. And it actually happened to be that one. So I have them sitting here right now. I got a fluorescent light here. It's February the 18th, and it's a little early on some stuff and it's a little late on the others. But what I'm going to do is during the daytime, whenever it's nice, it's been getting up in the mid 50s, low 60s, but the nighttime temperatures down in the tonight it's supposed to be 25 degrees, so it's a big change. So I'm going to keep them in during the night, but what I can do is just take them right out here on the back porch and put them on this table during the daytime. Oh yeah, I see something else. Put them on this table during the daytime, let them get a full sun. Now our bird box that we did the other day, I have it out here. I was going to paint it brown just like the house, but what I wound up doing was just putting a polyurethane over the top of it, and I like the natural wood look. So what I'm going to do is you'll have this stick is going to be attached to this stick will be attached to the back of the birdhouse like this, and then those the back of this, or this stick will be on the back of the birdhouse like this, and these pre-drilled holes at the top and the bottom, your birdhouse will be attached. But put them on there, put a screw in the top, screw in the bottom, and there you have it. Okay, it's about a month later. No, actually it's not. This is March the 5th, I think. You can see everything has come up now. The peppers were the late bloomers out of everything. I actually just did some more tomatoes, so I just get those started. I transplanted the squash because they were getting way too big for that. I put them in solo cups, which work really well. Basically what I did was, I don't know if you can see, I just put a slit, 3 of them around the bottom of it, and I have them on this tray so that whenever I do water them, it'll catch the water and I don't have to worry about that anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope that you continue to check back with the channel, and we will see you on the next one.